some exercise.
And the image of the young modern female just gets worse and worse and worse. And people just wonder why there are men on the internet warning other men about women like these. Yet, and still, they accuse these men of bashing women. But when you see women like this, it just confirms it. Now, one might be wondering, what was all of this for? Something had to have happened. Well, according to reports, these three women, who are between the ages of 23 and 27, got upset because this waitress let them know that if they wanted extra sauce for their food, they had to pay $1.75. It is that simple. $1.75 caused all this ruckus and vandalism. Thousands of dollars in damages, and the NYPD confirmed that these three young women between the ages of 23 and 27 were arrested for an incident that took place 4 o'clock in the morning on July the 4th. Witnesses on the scene said that these young ladies appeared intoxicated. And I mean, for real, I don't know what intoxication could have set this off. I mean, what makes people believe that this kind of behavior is a good idea? And dudes on the scene had their cell phones out recording this shit, and no doubt putting this stuff on social media. Just like the video that we just saw that was taken by one of the chefs. I mean, this is truly sad indeed. And I'm sorry. If you're a sensible person, you don't want to see young ladies act like this. Now and then y'all be telling guys, well, why y'all be bashing these women? What if it was your daughter? Well, I got a question for y'all. What if it was your daughter that was acting like this? Shoot, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. This is effed up, and I'm telling you, every time I see something like this, I lose a little bit more faith in humanity. Okay, let me know what you think in the comment section. Till the next time, in Kev we trust.